delicious, delicious, delicious.
La di da di da da, la di da di da da, la di da di da da.
Hi guys, today we're preparing rice. Guys, don't forget to like. Those are the ingredients, and let's prepare rice. And I want to make rice using the rice cooker because that is the easiest way to cook rice. So there is the rice cooker. So the rice cooker has a small pan inside. So definitely first thing is to make sure that you don't cook the way you cook the normal rice. So that's how you measure using the measuring cup. This will help you when you're measuring water so that you don't overcook the rice. So there we are. We're going to do 2.5 cups of rice. You can see that is half. So that means you're going to put 5 cups of water. So you double up the water. So the rice is there. So the first thing is to wash the rice. There we are. You have to wash the rice because if you don't, then you'll cook rice that has a lot of residue. So you use the same cup that you used to measure the rice. So you have to do double the amount of water. So if there are 2 cups, it's 4 cups of water. If there are 2.5, we do 5 cups. There we are, the 5th cup. So for the rice cooker, you don't heat up the water. So the first thing, you click keep warm, so that now you immediately put the rice. It's not like when you're cooking with a pot. When you're cooking with a pot, you have to wait for the water to boil. But for the rice cooker, it's advisable to just put the rice immediately on. So there it is, we've turned it on. My rice cooker doesn't show, but it is on. There, it is on. So you can put some margarine if you want, or you can use cooking oil. I prefer using margarine because it makes rice very tasty, smelling amazing. So just a little margarine, but if you want to put more, it's up to you. But it's healthier to put very little. Add some salt to taste, whatever amount of salt according to what you want. So add some salt to taste. So you rinse the rice. Remember, we had washed the rice. So once you rinse the rice, immediately just pour it in. That's washed rice. You can use your hands, you can use a spoon, but for me, because I'm cooking for my family and I've washed my hands, so I'm using my hands to, put in the rice. Make sure you drain all the water. There. Grate some carrots. Remember, we had carrots in the recipe, so we are not doing white rice, we're doing carrot rice. Then you'll sing. So that is how it looks. So I'm just stirring so that the salt can distribute across board. I prefer to cover it up, give it some time for it to cook. There we are. So you can see our rice is boiling. Keep checking just to make sure. Now, my way of cooking is I like putting grated carrots later, a bit later, but before the rice is ready, so that the carrots don't overcook. So there we are. So just before the water drains, it's the best way to put it, but you have to be careful and stir it in slowly, stir in the rice so that the carrots are also fresh, so that you don't miss out on the vegetables from the rice or the nutrients from the rice. But remember, don't do this on cooked rice. Just do it just before the rice is ready, so that you don't spoil the rice and break it into pieces. So once we are done with this, we just cover it up for a few minutes and the rice will be ready. But remember, the carrots will not be overcooked. But that's my recipe and that's how I like cooking, and you can try it at home. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please leave a comment if you like my cooking, and you can like the video. But this is smelling so yummy, guys. I am so good. It is almost ready. So a few minutes later, we've covered and we are here, and there it is. The rice is ready. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.